So guys, this is Christopher in the morning, and today we're going to be playing Epic Pets. I downloaded this 2 weeks ago, so I'm sure you guys know. I haven't been making lots of videos since then because, a week. Now, the favorite is, tell me in the comments below, what is your favorite unit? My favorite unit is the Belasco. Just kidding, guys. Because if you kill like half of it, they can take down anything. Even giants. My second favorite is the Musketeers. My third favorite is the Ranged Cavalry. And let's see how long they can take down an army of giants. Hold on, this takes a while to film this up. Let's fight. Come on, let's go blue. Come on, let's go. As you see, we have advantage because we still have giants, but less. But we also have cannons, like air support. So, like, while they're fighting, they give support. So they can take them down quicker. They defeated. Let's see how stupid this fighter can be. One fight. Let's see who can win, cannons or giants. Yep, cannons. Alright, take him out. Who do you think is going to win? Archers? Or that good army right there. Pause this video for a second and what do you think, and write it in the comments below. Who do you think is going to win? Ready? Alright, hopefully you've done that, and let's go. Hopefully the archers don't take down my giants because they have air support. It's kind of laggy right now. Alright, let's get this. Yeah, they still won. Yep, took them down. No time for that. Alright. Now, time for a musketeer to come in. These are one of my favorite guys. Let's see if they can take us down. Let's go. Come on. What? Musketeers are shooting our cannons? The giants are kind of acting like a shield. Even if they all die, they did some great work. Oh, what? 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 And the musketeers won? It can't be. No. No, we lost. We lost. No. No. Let's upgrade our army to the best army. Let's see. I don't like any of them. Oh, yes, this one. Oh, no. Shields. The reason I'm not doing all giants because when I didn't show this, I tested this out. All musketeers versus a whole army of giants, all musketeers would win. And then I'm going to use these to use the giants, use a shield for these guys, and these guys come in and throw their spears. Alright, let's go. It's raining spears. My God, it's hilarious. That was funny. Alright, took him down. Alright. And that's how we go. I'm sorry guys, but this is all I have time for today, and goodbye. And remember, peace out.